This is the aftermath of an epic rainstorm that hit Alicante province and Benidorm town. You know it's been hard when you see random mattresses being picked up from the flooded Levante beach. Welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna. Finally the Dana rainstorm is over and we are here to show you the aftermath of how Benidorm looks like after quite a few intense days with uncertainty and quite a lot of rain. We are starting today's video right on the Mediterranean Avenue, the crossroad with the Avenue of Philippines. And this is how the Mediterranean Avenue looks like right now. There's still quite a bit of water. Every now and then you can see that it's been raining this whole night. Rain stopped this morning and it's not supposed to be raining any longer, at least for now. So a lot of people are heading to the streets to explore, breathe some fresh air, enjoy, do some sports, just relax a little bit and enjoy everything that Benidorm still has to offer. All the terraces will be cleaned up eventually to go back to normal. Some areas were quite flooded. You can see a lot of this. You can still see a lot of the sand, a lot of the soil out there, like the dirt, the actual dirt. In these areas like these ones here, right next to the Levante beach and the pubs, these are the easiest flooding areas and we'll see. We're curious to see how the Levante beach looks like because after these types of storms, the water eats quite a lot of the Levante beach sand. And there's always some interesting things going on out there. Quite a few people are heading to the beach, though there is quite a bit of litter everywhere. But that's because water was washing all of it. So it is quite normal to see things, but by today midday it's gonna be all clean and neat and tidy because all the municipal services are working on it. Terraces are starting to be prepared for this morning, and obviously even if it's not going to be too sunny, but at least it's not raining, so people will be heading out. And as you can see, it is quite busy already right now. Curious people are watching something out there. I wonder what it is. Probably they're picking something up. Oh yeah, they are. Look at the beach. Oh my god. What are they? Is that a mattress? Oh, and there's another one right there at the bottom. Oh my god, this came from somewhere. Imagine the amount of water. This just came out of some place in Benidorm and it ended up here on the beach. And there's some more cushions out there and pillows. All the piping is visible. You can see actually the amount of sand that's being washed out towards the sea. Look at the difference of the level of the sand. That is insane. Oh wow. See all these huge pipes? They always bring the water from the outside, from like nearby streets here, just to ensure that the streets won't flood and all the water comes here to the beach. But look at this, there's two mattresses. It's not even one, it's two mattresses. All the pipes, they'll need to bring some sand here, and this is already stone because that was like the old road towards the beach. That's stone already. It's not even sand anymore. It's like an old road that people don't usually see because there is a lot of sand on top of it, but now it's gone. I can see a lot of even the litter. Are these litter boxes? What are these blue things? There's a lot of litter, a lot of garbage out here. Wow, that is a lot, you guys. They're picking up all the garbage. These bags are probably the things that they're being picking up right now, and they will be taking them down taking them with them once they finished cleaning up the beach. This part is quite clean already. So probably they're just heading from there towards the beginning of the Levante beach, cleaning everything up. But wow, it ate so much sand. Oh my word, look at this. This is huge. It happens every single time when this type of storm comes. But yeah, even the roots of the palm trees can be seen. Wow. Oh, you need to bring a lot of sand out here to level it up once again and make it safe. I wonder how this palm tree didn't swim away. Roots are quite strong and quite deep, honestly, but still, like, there's roots visible out there. It's like it's clinging on like a small, small thread, you know? Wow, that is bizarre. Oh, these poor men have a lot of work to do today. Bars and cafeterias wise and businesses wise, a lot of these are open. There's people doing sports, there's people going for a run, people going with their dogs and cats for a walk. Everyone are here by the promenade. People do not care it was raining. People do not care it's not as hot as it used to be. It doesn't really matter anymore. People are just heading outside and enjoying and celebrating basically that it's not raining any longer. But yeah, this particular part, it's still a long way to clean all this. Look at this. They've cleaned already quite a lot, and there's still so much to do. That is bizarre. From here, we're heading towards... Oh, and the sun came out. This is the best part of when the storm is over. The best part is when the sun comes out. Look at this. This part is always beautiful. This is, we can always, whenever the storm's here, you can always see these natural stones. These are like old roads used for boats, for fishing boats. You can always see them here. Looks beautiful. It's very clean, very tidy. It's seawater. This is not like a sewage or not a draining water. It's like a seawater. And it always looks so nice here. It looks like a river that's passing through Benidorm. Very, very lovely. Oh, the views are beautiful now when the sun's shining. Oh, hopefully we'll have this type of weather right now for quite some time. If it rains one day, it's perfectly fine. But if it rains more than 1-2 days, we already start missing the sunshine. And we're really, really lucky to see it and very happy to see it right now. Wow. This is quite a lot. People are just curious, walking and checking what happened, as well as us. The promenade is still wet, and that is because it's been raining this morning. Even though it wasn't a lot, but it was raining, and it stopped just a couple of hours ago, probably. Hence, it's still wet. With all the humidity in the air, with everything going on, it's still wet. First terraces that are open already have quite a lot of people out there. Look at that. People are sitting on the terraces back again. Probably these are not wet then. Just sitting down, enjoying a little bit of sunshine. And hopefully today we'll have slightly more of this, at least every now and then. Because it's so pleasant to have at least a ray of sunshine outside, have a walk, enjoy. All the bars here are quite busy actually. Wow. It is surprising. Except for the beach parts, which are the most affected ones. There is a red flag today as well. Maybe because they did not change it just yet, because it was a red alert here. Right now we are in yellow alert. So this means that the storm is going up north. It's going away from our region. And it's quite improbable it's going to be raining hard anymore. So, and it doesn't look like it, honestly, unless something changes. So we are not in a red alert any longer, luckily for all of us. And it's just a yellow one, but it will disappear shortly. And so far, so good. So many people here on the promenade, cannot blame them. We also were willing to go outside and enjoy. There's a lot of cleaning services going on by the beach, and I'm quite sure quite a few people will be heading here. I already see quite a few who will be heading here to the beach just to enjoy, sit down, lay down on the sunshine. Oh, there are lifeguards already, but for some reason they still put it's like a red flag. Maybe because due to a lot of water coming from the streets, they do not recommend people to swim in it. Maybe that's the reason, not too sure, but we just know that it's a red flag. So people are not able to swim, but at least you're able to go sit down, lay down on the sunshine, enjoy the sound of waves, or have a walk, a stroll down the Levante beach by the sand, by the water, which is also quite healthy. All the public municipal services of cleaning are here, picking up the sand, picking up all the dirt, which there's quite a bit here, honestly. So everything is being cleaned up and probably will all be done and ready by midday today, which is the best news for all the tourists who are here. I know quite a lot of you are here on holidays now or are about to come. If you're about to arrive, you are perfectly fine. There's no alert right now. If you were here, at least today it's over and you're able to enjoy some nice sunshine. Here by the beginning of the Levante beach, as usual, there is perfectly seen parts of the beach where all the water cascade was coming from the whole city of Benidorm. You can see them because all the sand is washed away, and obviously quite a bit of holes left in it. And by the beginning of the Levante beach is probably the worst part. We've shown it to you yesterday when it was still raining, when it was the worst part. Technically, officially, it was the worst part of the rainstorm. But by now we can actually see what has happened. We see way more pipes, open pipes even. We see way more damaged. Even the stones. Look at this. This is bizarre. Look at all this. Oh my God. Look at all the stones. And there's things out there. Wow. This is the rainstorm. All the pipes, all the stones, old roads here, old access to the beach. All of this is visible. My goodness, they need to bring a lot of sand to level it all up for the new summer season and next year. This is the aftermath of the Dana rainstorm in Benidorm town. So far, so good, and the sunshine is back. Hopefully, it's going to be like this for quite a while. Thank you for accompanying us in today's video. Stay tuned for more this evening.